These are some little bit easy questions. After solving these easy questions, we will move to the hard questions. Let's practice these things. This is the AND gate based question. Here, in this AND gate, two inputs is given, input A and input B, and passing through this AND gate, and we are checking output. So our model is top model, same. Inputs are AB and output is out. Okay. So here already model is given. So we can write assign out equal to A and B. Okay. So this is the expression for this AND gate. This is the AND gate and this is the expression A and B. So remember this. Submit. Okay, done. Next, NOR gate. These are the very basic gates. This is a NOR gate. NOR is the combination of, we can say, like OR plus NOT. NOR plus NOT, which gives NOR. Assign out equal to the negation of A or B. Okay. Yes. Submit. Done. Let's move to the XNOR gate. XOR plus NOT. You can say XNOR. Okay. So we know the expression for this XOR gate. So assign out equal to, what are the inputs? A and B. So A XOR B. So this is the expression for this XOR gate. But here they are asking XNOR gate. Here bubble has given is not. So you can write here negation. Okay, let's take it. Okay, then let's solve this question. See here, we can use wire. So in this question, what they are saying, two circuits means two NOT gate has given, and one input and one output. But in between, this NOT gate output is going as input of this second NOT gate. So here not slash in, not dash in is written here. So this we are using as an input for this NOT gate and output for this NOT gate. So exactly like both input and output. So in this case we can write wire. This name we can write as a wire. Okay. It is not storing any value. It is just passing this value, this output to the as a input of this NOT gate, second NOT gate. Okay. So in this case we can use this wire. So here are also some mention these things. Sorry, question is different. This is theory. So this is theory, and they explain here a little bit. So we will solve this question. In this theory, you can easily read it out. We can solve this question here. Let's solve this question. This is a wire-based question. So what is going on here? These are the two AND gates, and the output of these AND gates is going to this OR gate as an input. Okay, output of these gates going input as input for this OR gate, and then one output we are taking, and one out of this OR gate is passing through this NOT gate, and other output we are taking, right? So in this case, this output going as an input here. So we need to declare wire here. This one wire, this one second wire, and here also. But they mention here this output no need to declare wire. Somewhere they mention. Okay, you can read it here. So we need to declare two wires, this one and this one. Okay, and this expected solution range is around 5 lines. We need to write in that 5 lines. So first we need to declare wire. So wire W1 comma wire wire W1 comma W2. Okay. So this wire we can define outside of this parenthesis. Okay. We need to define here itself. We can't define in this document this ports name inside this. Okay. And this is the wire 1 and this is wire 2. So here now we can write like assign W1 equal to A and B. So A and B and output is W1. Okay. So we assign this thing. Next assign W2 equal to C and D. Okay, C and D. Next, this W1 W2 is going through this OR gate. So let's write those things. Assign out. What is the output? This is out. Okay, this is out pin. The out assign out equal to W1 or W2. Okay, and here same this out. We are using this same out. We are using input of this NOT gate. So out of out slash n is the negation of this out. Okay, so here assign out slash n equal to negation of out. So on, so we wrote this complete solution in this file. Okay, as expected. Then now let's check it. This any compilation error? No. Simulation error? No. Okay. So done. Successfully we implemented. Okay. Then this is one more question. So this is also same question. We need to use wires in between. So these 4 lines 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 lines we need to declare as a wire, and because we are these 4 lines acting as a output and input also, so we need to declare as a wire, and they are not storing the data. So just read this question and try to solve this question. We will discuss this solution in the next part. Okay. So first try it, and if any problem we will discuss in the next video. Okay. Thank you.